I can't even meet my friends because of COVID. I hate viruses. They're good for nothing.
You sure about that? You know cancer, right? Yeah, the second highest death-causing disease in the US. What if I told you viruses could cure that?
What? Viruses just make you sick. How could they cure cancer?
Cancer is an overproduction of unnecessary cells. In most cases, it's caused by mutations to the RAS gene, or the p53 protein. Oddly enough, cells actually have certain genes that tell them when it's time to die. And if those genes mutate, those cells are immortalized and can multiply forever. Take the case of Henrietta Lacks, a woman who died decades ago but still has her cancerous cells multiplying in labs today. Whoa! I can be immortal with cancer? Wait, why do people die then? Cancer can form tumors which impair your organs.
Aw, I wanted to be immortal. Bummer.
Shh! It's my favorite part now. This is where oncolytic viruses come in. The idea of an oncolytic virus is that it infects the cancerous cells and introduces suicide genes which result in apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Yeah, you know what's cool? These viruses are picky like our birds. Just like our birds don't eat the black seeds in their seed mix, these viruses only target cancerous cells and never healthy ones. Since there's a lot in common between a cancer cell and a healthy cell, cancer cells usually aren't recognized as a threat. But when there's a virus involved, they're processed and they're attacked. Wow, so viruses can strengthen your immune system. Yeah, it's better than existing treatments like chemotherapy, which aren't advanced enough to target only infected cells. Chemotherapy kills all fast-growing cells, which may include hair and nail cells too. Why don't we use this everywhere to treat cancer? We still need more trials, but one of the viruses that's currently been approved is the telemagene laherparepvec, a genetically modified version of the herpes simplex virus. This is an icosahedral virus with an envelope which facilitates its entry into the cells as it can fuse with the membrane through direct fusion. Though currently only approved for the treatment of melanoma, it has the ability to infect a decent range of cell types. A key element of the TVEC is that it contains thymidine kinase, a strong suicide gene. Along with that, its cytolytic nature helps it easily rupture and eliminate cancer cells. It's also a very good vector for suicide genes, considering that viruses are experts at delivering genes by infecting cells.
Wait, but what if I got herpes after getting the virus?
We've reached a point when we're able to genetically modify viruses, and so we can take out the disease-causing part through restriction enzymes and DNA ligase.
Wow, these viruses really do have a lot of potential. With enough research, is this going to be the universal cure to cancer?